A lot of cars pulled off. Hang on. Lots of heavy hail. Hello again, and welcome to episode 2 of my 2019 storm chasing series. I get asked a lot, Jake, where did you get your passion for storm chasing? Well, ever since I was a kid, I've been fascinated with storms and their unique power. I used to watch Storm Chasers on the Discovery Channel, and that's where my main inspiration comes from. But this year, I decided to do something about it and started chasing. On July 14th, I went storm chasing in central Minnesota with only one camera because I dropped my other camera in the water on a Boundary Waters trip. So I only have limited footage from this chase, but here it is. Looks like there's going to be some thunderstorms developing in western Minnesota, so we're going to head over to Fergus Falls. We're up north near Bemidji right now, probably a bit too far north, so we're going to make a drive down to Fergus Falls. This is going to be a tornado warning right on this cell that we're going through right now.
Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Colfax, or 19 miles.
Here we go, this is it. Getting some hail right now. Holy shit, it's windy. A lot of cars pulled off. Hang on. Lots of heavy hail. I believe we have a wall cloud right in front of us. Very dangerous storm right now. Currently on tornado warned supercell over here. Got some nice little wall cloud right behind me. A little bit of rotation right above me actually. We're gonna need to watch that. Watch these clouds closely. I think we're gonna have to back up a touch. Some sketchy maintenance road.
Hazard 70 miles per hour with gusts.
Woo! There's some lightning. I think we got a new tornado warning for Fergus Falls right now. We're right behind this storm. Might be tornado somewhere up here on the left. We got a little bit of ground to make up, but we're getting there. Definite wall cloud right there.
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fergus Falls, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Very rain intense storm right now. I could have picked a better path, I think. I don't like it, but we gotta go left up into the storm. Hold on to your butts. Watch your tornadoes, like no joke. Watch for flooded roads and tornadoes. There's some good velocity in there. I have to pee so bad too. Tornado warning?
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Camp Ridley.
Alrighty, so going to another tornado warning right now. We're about 20 minutes away, and we'll see if it's still active when I get there. This one doesn't look too good on radar, so I don't have a lot of hope for it. Tornado warning literally right where we're going right now. So we gotta rush down there, literally right on top of us, right to our left right now. We got a tornado warning. Let's check radar. Holy shit. This thing looks so good on radar right now. Coming up on another tornado warned cell. This might be an actual tornado right in here.
Watch for damage.
As darkness fell, my chase ended, but not without a fantastic sunset.